is how straight it got with the blow dryer. That's how it looks.
About the way she moved, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Said, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her.
Woo! What's up? Here I am coming to y'all today. All my glory. Why not show y'all how I'm really looking, how I really woke up like this? The month of September has turned me every way but loose, child. Because the way my hair looks, it definitely is a symbol of how I'm feeling. I'm not that girl that says, I don't look like what I've been through. Baby, I look like exactly what I'm going through. I may push through, but baby, I'm gonna look like this. Pushing through. You hear me? But we're back and we're better. We get started with this hair. So my hair is freshly washed. My hair just went through another shedding season. I honestly think it's hormonal. My hair has really been shedding too because I have not been taking care of it all month. To just be completely transparent, I'm going to use this tool. This is my favorite tool, y'all. I mean, it's like the little roller brush blow dryer tool. It gets my hair very sleek, easy to manage because it has like a comb attached to it. So I kind of like detangle with it too. I never like to work on dry hair, y'all. So I am going to spray it with just plain water. And I'm just going to spray a section at a time. So my hair is wet now, y'all, or damp. So I'm going to use the Chi, which is the heat protectant spray. It's called the Iron Guard. And my hair is a lot more manageable and it sheds a lot less when I wear my hair straight. But then I'm also using the Biosilk. Everything that I'm using will be in the description box below. Section of hair as well. And focus on the ends. And while I'm doing that, y'all not going to be able to hear me. So I'm going to listen to one of my little audiobooks until I am done blow drying. But this is a really big section. So I'm going to split this fourth section in half and then operate like that. So to explain what I'm doing, y'all, I just kind of like detangle with it from the ends to the roots. And then I'm just kind of like rolling it up. I like to roll it upward in the back section only because it just gives me more grip. And I just kind of roll until everything is kind of rolled onto each other. And then I roll it all the way to the roots. And then I just kind of keep the dryer on there. When you do it like that, it's already stretched out. The roots are stretched out. So it's getting the roots and it's also getting the ends at the same time. And it's helping it keep it sleek. So that's basically why I do it this way. And this is just how I do the back. The other sections are all different. So how I do the back is I roll it upward towards me. And if it gets too hot, y'all, like, you can always just kind of let it go, see the progress. And this is the progress so far. Alright, y'all, so this is how straight it got with the blow dryer. That's how it looks. Okay. Lunch break, baby. Alright, y'all, we are making progress. My hair doesn't feel too bad, but I could tell it's just like not healthy anymore or whatever. Has some body, has some shine. Not mad at it. I do need to get closer to the roots, so the roots are still like curly, but it's okay. We'll get there. We'll get there when we get there. Okay, so here we are. or whatever. Y'all, after a while, I just got tired of taking my time. So I said, I'm just going to get this dry. So I'm going to put the products back on again. Biosilk again. And just more so focus on the ends of the hair. Ready? We're going to use the Babyliss Flat Iron Nano Pro. One of my favorite flat irons, y'all. These flat irons last so long. Hit the roots, grab the roots. Go over it a few times. Let go. And then trace with the flat iron. Okay, we're at lower back. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to snip the ends. See if I need to snip something else later. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to run some errands, and I really didn't do the most. I literally put a little bit of concealer and some lip gloss on. Didn't do my eyebrows, didn't put any mascara on or anything. And my hair has been in this about 30 minutes, I say. these little rollers. So we're gonna see what's the little results. Let me take off this so y'all can see. Cute. This is my first time like doing the rollers to the front. Very cute. Alright y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little informative. I think my hair turned out pretty well. I'm not even going to do my edges. I'm just going to kind of keep it natural. But yeah, this is the end result. And I'll talk to y'all in my next video.